Wait, wait. You stay. No, I don't want you to fall. You stay there. Stay, stay. No, no, no. You stay. Walter? Alright, here we are at Black Diamond yet again, our favorite place to go hiking. And here we are with Walter. And we're going to do a little hike today to remake our video. This time we're going to be flying the drone out and showing you guys some amazing panoramic views of this amazing place that is right here next to my home and me and Walter's favorite place nearby to go hiking. So hope you guys enjoy this beautiful video and let's get on with it. So Black Diamond is actually an amazing place full of rich history, and this place used to be a old mining town that had a population of people that would focus on mining for coal. And there was so much coal in these mines that they would call it later Black Diamond mines, because there was just so much. It was like they were mining diamonds. But it's beautiful. These hills during this season, as you can see, are just amazing. They're full of green, luscious grass, and truly, it's hard to beat the sight. It's beautiful out here, sunny and crisp. It's not too hot. You know, you can wear a pair of pants and a t-shirt. It truly is amazing. It feels really, really good. Heights. This probably isn't the best spot to stand. All right, we're gonna go back this way and we're gonna get our drone set up and we're gonna fly. I'm coming. He was running out of breath 10 minutes ago, and now we've gotten some water in him, and now he's ready to go, I guess. So yeah, these little areas are quite spectacular as well. So yeah, very cool place here. As you can see, some amazing rock formations that they have back here. It's all sand. It's all very sandy. It's complete, like 100% sand. So it's, what do you think, Walter? What do you think of that? Pretty interesting, right? So here we are at Black Diamond Mines, a place that's got so many different things to do, from an amazing gift shop that has a tour you can go through, or even a history-filled cemetery here called Rose Hill Cemetery that is home to the old inhabitants of this old mining village here. As you walk through these hills, there's little areas where you can see inside of the mines, and they say I'm not exactly sure how much, I'd have to look into it again, but they say there's at least a few football fields worth of mines that still are beneath these little hills here. So this place was actually restored by the East Bay Regional Park District, and they ended up saving a lot of the old gravestones throughout this place because it was vandalized. And when they acquired Black Diamond Mines in the 70s, they ended up going through and finding a lot of the different gravestones and fixing them and adding them onto little cement pads so that they could restore where they originally were. And some of them are still whole and they're amazing. Most of it is actually made of marble. A lot of the people did die at a younger age, either due to mining accidents or due to sicknesses like, scarlet fever and other sicknesses and illnesses that were going around during the late 1800s, early 1900s, when this town was really thriving. And they pulled so much coal out of this place that they called it Black Diamond Mines, because it was like a black diamond. They had so much coal. So it's an incredible place that's rich in history and lots of fantastic things to do here, and you really can't go wrong, as of course it is Walter or dog friendly, or cat friendly, pet friendly. Really, you can bring any of your awesome pets through here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This is an amazing hike as always, and I've been coming here 20 years, so I'll probably keep doing these little videos and different sections and areas of these hikes. And hope you enjoyed watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.